been here for a while. It's been raining. Hold on, let me fix it. It's a little bit crooked. Okay, so this is not the best angle, but I was here messing around with this planter. I was just seeing that it's a little bit empty on this side, and since I got those new plants for Mother's Day, I decided to go ahead and put one of those there. And I was testing out this new tripod that I got, so I was just staring at it. I might as well just do an impromptu video just to talk to you guys. So yeah, so I'm just messing around with this planter. I decided to put this one in there because it does pretty well in the kind of lighting right now that I have going on by the door that I've showed you guys where my shelf is. It's a south-facing sliding door. So yeah, I just decided to just do that to make it look more full. Squeezing it in there. So I went around my yard and inside the greenhouse, and I started cutting some cuttings just for fun and to promote growth, because I was looking at the stems that I had removed some plants from that I had beheaded, and they're growing so nicely. So I decided to just go around and behead some to promote more growth. I'll give you an example. This plant here, the original plant is outside and it had 2 heads, and it's been like that for a year. So I decided to go ahead and behead it to see if maybe it'll give me more plants. So when I behead a succulent, I make sure that the stem looks strong and aged, I guess you would call it aged. I've never tried a brand new, I've never beheaded a stem that looks green and like new. They always tend to look kind of like a beige or a brown color. And my dog over there, he's prepping his bed to lay on. Tazzy, lay down. So yeah, so I got that one. I'll show you a few. I mean, I'll pick up the camera and show you. Look at those colors. The lighting is not good here because it's been raining nonstop. I don't know if you guys have that problem where you're at. This one too, this one does have a bunch of babies though outside, but I've had it for a year also. And some of these are cuttings that I had ordered a year ago. And she has a bunch of babies, so I decided to go ahead and behead her. So I can't wait to see what I come up with. This pot here, I'm gonna redo. I mean, I might keep this and that, but I'm removing this. When I behead them, I put them in a plastic container and let them get pretty again. Look at this one. Oh, this is one of my favorite. It's so fuzzy. I have a little bit bigger ones outside that look more of a rose shape. So pretty. So that is exciting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put one more plant in here so that it looks better. Guys, I can't believe how much this has grown. It was just a little itty bitty thing that I had, and now it's gotten bigger and it looks good. So I think I might have gotten the hang of it. I think I've gotten the hang of the pearl. I have to remove this rock here. It's bothering me. This rock turned brown on me. I don't know why. So, yep. It's been raining. Okay, guys. So, I reached 2,000 subscribers, right? And I want to tell you that I'm doing a giveaway. I don't have to, like, show you what it is, because it's going to be good. And it's free. Who doesn't want free stuff? So, unfortunately, I do have to keep it international because shipping out of the country is ridiculous. Hopefully, if I make partner on YouTube again and I start to make money, because you guys are watching my videos, then I can do, you know, giveaways international, because, you know, I will see it like, oh, it's free, you know, free money, free shipping. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'll tell you what it includes. I am going to put a ceramic pot, and it's, when I announce it, I'll show you everything I got. Like that, you guys will be excited. And 2 plants that I've grown myself, and they're super healthy. You're gonna see that they look really healthy and they look good. One might be bigger than the other, but that's good. So I'm gonna send 2 plants, and then maybe some cactus goodies, I guess you would call it. So yeah, so 2 plants, a planter, really cute planter, and some like cactus stuff. I don't want to tell you yet what it is because I want it to be a surprise. So I hope you guys are excited. And guess what? Nobody's gonna know about this video, only you guys that are watching. So that means less people will know about it, so then you got more of a chance of winning, because you're competing against less people. So I'm announcing it today in this impromptu video, because I'm excited that I reached 2,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys, and I want to encourage you guys. I can do more giveaways if you guys watch more of my videos, because you guys watching gives me a better chance of making revenue on YouTube. It's difficult, guys. You can YouTube it yourself, Google it. For me to make $2, you guys, I have to have like 1,000 views on each video. So yeah, it takes like $2. Some people make more, but they're more popular, you know, and there's different ways that they make money. So you guys watching videos benefits me and benefits you. And I'm saying it here. I'm not a partner yet. They're reviewing my account. They said that they're backed up on a lot of accounts. So I have to wait. But yeah, guys, if you guys watch my videos, hopefully I can start making money and I can do more giveaways and also make it internationally. So, because I know I have YouTubers, especially from Canada. I know because she tells me all the time about how expensive the plants are over there. But I'm a stay-at-home mom, so you know, I got a budget. I don't like that this spot here is a little empty. My kids are running around. You guys, don't take your iPad in the rain.
We're getting something.
Okay, but don't take your iPad in the rain. Okay, it's still a little spot right here. A little bald spot, but you know what? I'm going to leave it for space. Ooh, don't move. Just for growth space. For the Pearl and the Lola. The Lola might get bigger. I don't know how the Lola's going to do here. If she starts to stretch, I will remove her. But for now, it's fine. I don't have any new rocks. Here, guys, you know what? Where is it? Oh, look. I have the planter next to me. The reason I'm not showing you the other stuff is because, well, it's raining. Well, and it'll be a surprise. Here is one beautiful planter that you'll get. How cute is that? And I hope it gets to you safely. I hope it doesn't break. I'll pack it well for whoever wins this. But here's a cute planter for you guys. So yeah, guys, here are all the cuttings. I think I got like 15 cuttings. Pretty cool. Here's one. Here's another. Here's another. Got dirt in my nail. This is the Alpine Glow, something like that. I showed you guys that one. Here's another Alpine. The other one, the fuzzy, and this one. Hold on, I gotta tilt the focus. Goodness, I need 3 hands, guys. Can you focus? There we go. So some repeats. I have like 2 of each, I think, almost. Except for that one. And the big one over there that I talked about earlier. That one. But the other ones I have 2 of each. And I think I have like 3 of these or 4. Doesn't want to focus today. What is wrong with this camera? There we go. Okay. Oh, let me tell you when. So, we'll do a week. What's today? Today is Thursday. So next Thursday, rain or shine, I'll announce it here if I have to, right here on this table. I'll announce the winner. So please follow me on Instagram, share my videos so that other people watch my videos, and you know, I can start making some revenue on YouTube, or at least maybe I'll make partner quicker. And yeah, guys, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited for me too. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I think I'm gonna cut it now because I gotta stop what I'm doing and I gotta go cook. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.